Tom, so you've got some pain on your person.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Have you seen a doctor about
Yes.
it? Yes, you have seen a doctor, and basically all they're doing is giving you painkillers for it, and that's it. Yeah. All right. Cool. So.
Are you actually taking painkillers for it at the moment?
Yeah, just that.
Okay.
It's not touching the side, is it? Yeah. Oh, okay. It's quite often the case actually, depending on the pain.
Mm.
So.
Yeah.
What I'm wondering is, once that pain is gone, would it be detrimental for you to be without the pain? Would it be dangerous for you or anything like that?
Not horrendous at the moment.
No, okay. Because the one thing I want to make it very clear is, once the pain is gone, if you go outside and start to do cartwheels and be silly about it, that pain may come back even worse. So obviously, even with the pain is gone, whatever is going behind it, it's going to be behind it. You have to be mindful of it and obviously let your body rest when relevant. So being sensible, common sense applies. Okay, happy with that. Good. So basically here, what we've done, we've established something sinister going on is a good candidate for that. And if we get rid of the pain, once we get rid of the pain, not if, that everything will be fine and it's not going to make things worse. Because in some cases it can happen.
And damage, further damage as well, like you said about going out.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, if you've got a
You
broken
override
leg,
the pain.
the pain is gone, you have to walk on it.
You know.
Well, I don't think that will work for that because broken leg
No,
pain
it's
is
silly.
much better, but
Yeah.
you never know.
Yeah.
And so, what I would like to know, so we can compare before and after, basically. From, again, it's very subjective, but from a scale from 0 to 10, 0 being good to 10 is crushing pain. The level of pain you have right now, how bad is it?
Yeah, about
5. So I'm gonna write it down. So I've got a pen here somewhere. So we're saying 5 out of 10. Now, someone's 5 can be someone else's 10. You never know. So it's very subjective. So okay, it's a 5 out of 10. That's all I need to know.
Yeah,
Um,
you've got that score, that's all.
Yes, again, it's called subjective unit of distress, or SUDS.
Yeah.
And that's how it is. So we can see what's going on and hopefully get rid of that pain. All right. So, just making sure I haven't missed anything. Yeah, so we've established you're in pain. Let's make it more. Yes. And you're happy to get rid of it? Oh, okay. And so are you comfortable enough? Because obviously with the pain can be, yeah, all right. Yes. I've done this, yeah. So we're all happy there. So what I'd like you to do then is just, feel on the floor, just get your hand like this, and I would like you just to close your eyes and just get yourself ready to let go of that pain forever. And what I'd like you to do is you're just sitting there as comfortably as you can, because obviously you may not be in full comfort. I'd like you just to focus on yourself now. Maybe focus on your breathing, being aware of the feeling of the chair behind you, your feet on the floor. And what I'd like you to do, I'd like you just to simply imagine, even just pretend, as if you could float out of your body now. Imagine that your soul, your essence, your whatever you want to call it, just floating out of your body now, leaving that body nice and safe in the chair. So just float maybe a few feet above yourself now. And as you just float there, maybe you can be aware of yourself sitting there, nice and safe. And just imagine yourself starting to float now, just higher and higher and higher, effortlessly, automatically, through the ceiling, through the roof. It's a glorious day. And I'd like you to just imagine or pretend that there's a big archery target that's just up here, just floating there for some reason between you and the ground. It's a big archery target. You might be aware of the bands of colors, you're aware of the bullseye, you literally can't miss it. It's just floating there, nice big target there. Do you have it there? Fantastic. So what I'd like you to do, I would like you to just imagine or pretend that you can take all of that, all those feelings, all that discomfort, all the things you want to get rid of. Imagine you can put all of that in that bullseye now. completely free from all those things now. Feeling great, feeling fantastic. That's it. And now what I'd like you to do is, so you can move forward completely free from all those things and moving forward in a happy, enjoyable way. So just imagine floating back into your own body now, at your own pace, at your own time. And when you get back in your own body, you just open your eyes and look. Okay, so where's that pain gone now? Try finding it now. If you're not trying, you try to really try to find it now. Really try.
Obviously without doing it. Obviously without stretching.
But so, without going crazy, of course, can you just maybe stand up and see what happens?
That's cool.
Thank you very much.
That's amazing.
That's weird. That was the arrow technique.
Better than ibuprofen?
Oh yes. Your brain will give you the best painkillers you can get. Some people